Welcome back to Antalya, where every corner holds a memory. Today, we leave the heights of Republic Square and step into the ancient heart of Antalya, the old harbor of Kaleiçi. These streets are more than just charming, they are alive with history. Every stone, every turn tells a story, and every breeze carries a memory from centuries past. These streets have seen centuries of travelers, Phoenicians, Romans, Byzantines, Ottomans, each leaving their mark, their whispers still caught between these walls. The path down is steep, but rewarding. The closer you get, the more you hear the sound of water, the cry of seagulls, and the cracking of wooden pots. This is where the sea meets the stones, where Antalya's heartbeat slows down. Sit at a cafe, take in the view, or just listen to the silence of the waves. And there it is, the harbor, hidden below the cliffs, impressed by the past. It was once a major Roman port. Today it's a peaceful escape for visitors and locals alike. Kaleiçi Harbor is more than a destination. It's a quiet descent into memory. a place where the sea carries stories and the stones remember every step. These boats have their own rhythm. Some take tourists along the coast, others just sway in the sun. If you take a boat from here, just for a short ride, you'll see the coastline from the sea, just as ancient sailors did. The cliffs rise golden in the light, and the minarets of the old town glimmer above them. As the sun goes down, this place transforms. The harbor becomes golden, and the sea turns into a mirror. It's a perfect ending to a simple, beautiful day. Antalya doesn't need to shout to impress. It just is calm, historic, and full of gentle beauty. Thank you for joining me on this walk.